watching the Java tutorial series in my channel. So today we are going to discuss about the main important thing of the OOPS is abstraction. Abstraction is basically hiding of the implementation from the user and providing the functionality to the user. So this is basically the concept that you can hide the implementation, that what is happening behind the scene, and what the product you are getting, this can be only shown. And the abstraction can be we can get the abstraction through two parts. One is from abstract classes. You can define abstract class, and another is the interface. So in this video we will discuss about the abstract class of the abstraction, how we can get the abstraction through the abstract classes. Okay, so we will see with the help of the example and the practical. So let's go and create a project on Java project. Okay, and here we will write abstraction. Okay, so we have created the project of the abstraction. Okay, now here you create a class as a, we can say, abstract type. Okay, click on the main method, so we get the abstract class. This is the class and this is the main method. Now just we suppose we have a class Android. Okay, so we have a class Android. Sorry, this is the class, and we have Android class we have defined here. Now this class have two method, two implementation. Suppose this Android mobile, or we can say Android or Android mobile, anything. So we have two implementation. This class have two implementation. Suppose two method is there, void calling suppose we have this call. Okay, and this method is defined here. Defined means calling. So this method is properly defined. Defined means the method which have a body in the curly braces, which have properly defined in the classes, is known as the defined class. This is the defined method. Okay, and the method which is declared in the class is known as the method is only declared and is denoted with the semicolon, like this class have another method, camera. Okay, but this method do not have any implementation, so Android mobile fails to define that camera quality and everything. Okay, so they have the calling features and they define the calling method. Now the method which is not defined in the particular class must be the abstract method. Okay, abstract method. If we, and the concept of the abstraction is says that if any abstract method is present in a class, then class must be abstract. Then class must have to be abstract. So this class must have to become the abstract because the abstract method is present in this class. Okay, so this is the first point. We can say that any class which have the abstract method must be the abstract class. It must have to become the abstract class. Okay, but vice versa, if we have a class which is abstract, then it is not necessary that it should be the abstract method. Okay, so this is the first 2 points we must have to remember in order to learn the abstraction. Okay, so suppose we have another class here, class iPhone, and this class extend the Android mobile phone. Okay, extends Android. So this class is extending the Android class, so it also declare or define this method also. So in order to extending the parent class, the method must be written there, or must be implemented here. Okay, so we just click here and say view camera. Now the iPhone is saying that I have an implementation of the camera also. So so just iPhone have have defined this method. Okay, so define that. Okay, so this class have the definition of the camera. Now this class have no abstract method is present, so this class is free from abstract class. Okay, so one another point must be remembered, that we cannot instantiate the abstract class, we cannot create the object of the abstract class. We must have to the abstract free class, so in order to create an object. So if we create an object of Android, see what the error is coming. So suppose we have Android an is equal to new Android, and just see here it is saying that cannot instantiate the type of Android. So this is the another point we must have to remember, that we cannot create the abstract we cannot create the object of the abstract class. So this class, which is extending the Android class, is free from abstract, so we can create the object of the iPhone. So we can create the object of the iPhone. Now we have created the object of the iPhone. Here an dot, we can access the method, both the method call, and here one thing we are, now the error has been removed. An dot camera, we have two methods. Now we can call this, just save this. We have completed the coding of the abstract type. Okay, just save this, and now we will run. When you run, you got both the output as a calling, which is defined in the Android class, and another is camera is full HD, which is also defined in the iPhone, which is extending Android class. So in this way we can learn the abstraction. So this is the method. See friends, you can also provide some variables like battery or HD, anything you can do with this, with the help of the encapsulation methods. Also we can declare any of the variables, and with the help of the setter and getters we can provide the properties also. So this is the main things of the abstraction. We have of 2 to 3 points. So if a method is abstract, then class must have to be the abstract, but if the class is abstract, it is not needed, may or may not be the abstract method. So class may contain abstract method, and may not. Okay, but the method is present in the class which is abstract. You must have to define the class as abstract. This is the first point. Second point is that you cannot instantiate the abstract class. You cannot create object of the abstract class. So this is the two to three points you must have to remember in the abstract. So this video is completing here, and in the next video I will show you the interface, which is also a very important in the perspective of the interview also. So we will see the example of the interface also in the next video. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for the future updates, and please press the bell icon for the later future updates of the video.